Hello, welcome, what's up guys, I am Rovit and I will invite you to my tutorial where I will show you how to download shaders to your Minecraft and how to use it in Minecraft. I will show you how to make it step by step, and you may leave like, subscribe, share to others, write a comment. Okay, we can start. So first what you need to do, you must just download shaders. I will download, for example, Zeus shaders. Yes. And now, next step, you must type here, searching percent up data percent. Yes. .k Minecraft, and here you have folder shader packs, and you must just put here your shaders which you need. Zeus, yes. And next step is just launch Minecraft. You must enter in options, video settings, shaders, and you must just set on shader, and now you may play on shaders. I can show you that it's working, and that's all. So you may leave like, subscribe, share to others, write a comment. Don't worry baby, yeah, you may leave like and subscribe, and don't worry baby, modern talking. Okay, so as you can see, everything is fine, no problem. So see ya next time. Thank you, bye bye. Okay, I understand. Christmas time, different chest. I last time played in Minecraft like 1 year ago, bro. Okay, thanks, bye bye.